How you doing? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my channel. How to make a narcissist obsessed with you. That is the title of today's video. Narcissists are selfish, self-centered people. Very arrogant. People who love attention. People who want to be praised. People who want to be acknowledged, validated. They want to be assured all the time. They want to be admired. They are very self-centered. It's all about their needs. These are people who love using and misusing others. So to get a narcissist attention and hold it, there are certain things that you need to do a little differently. Narcissists have one thing in common. They tend to look for relationships that will feed their need for acknowledgement, validation, admiration, affection. So you can use that need that narcissists have to your own advantage and make them obsessed with you. So if you want to make the narcissist completely obsessed with you, hooked, and you want to make them to completely think about you all the time, you want them to obsess over you, then there are things that you have to do. Number one, you need to look your best. Dress very, very smartly all the time. Because narcissists, it's all about appearances. So you've got to put a lot of effort into your dressing, into your clothes, into your outfits. Narcissists want to be seen with someone who has good looks, someone who is smartly dressed, someone who appears special, someone who appears better, in the eyes of people. So if you want this narcissist to obsess over you, then look as good as the narcissist. Look better than the narcissist if possible. So dress well, choose your clothes well, groom yourself very, very well. Look your best all the time, no matter what the situation is. The narcissist will discover and realize that you are always attractive, and they'll want to be seen, and they'll want to also associate with you. So choose dresses which are very attractive, with matching colors, with good styles, so that you can make this narcissist get obsessed with you. You can make the narcissist obsessed with you. The second thing to do is you play hot and cold with the narcissist. Don't let the narcissist relax. Keep them on their toes. Let them chase you. Make them want to chase you all the time. Flirt with the narcissist sometimes to show the narcissist that you have some interest. You can laugh at their jokes. You can laugh at their words. Whatever they say, you just laugh, even if it's not worth laughing at. You can touch them. Touch their shoulders, for instance. Smile at them. Appear to be very much attracted to them. So when the narcissist enjoys your attention, once the narcissist wants now to be with you, they want you to be with them, you can start ignoring them. This will make the narcissist chase you. They'll want to be with you. They'll crave your company. They'll look for you. They'll reach out to you. They'll beg you to be theirs. The narcissist will value much more because you're scarce. You're not always and readily available. Now, the other thing to make the narcissist obsessed with you, just be a little arrogant, proud. It shows that you're confident. Narcissists, we know they have low self-esteem. They have fragile egos, yet they pretend to, to be very confident people. So, narcissists get attracted to people who have confidence. The narcissist wants your attention and approval. That feeds their ego, their fragile ego. It feeds them. So once the narcissist realizes you're a confident person, they feel challenged. They want to break that confidence that you have. They will idealize you, they'll devalue you, they will discard you. So be careful, watch out. To make a narcissist obsessed with you, you have to show them that you're a deal, you're a good deal. You're the prize. Narcissists want valuable things. So show the narcissist that you're valuable. Keep the narcissist hooked up. Show the narcissist that you're a high value person. That you have this high status job. You have a big, large social circle. That you're talented. So if the narcissist realizes that you have so much, they'll be obsessed with keeping you. They will want to associate with you because they want that to be part of them. So give the narcissist the chance to be stronger or better than you in some way. Because narcissists want to be valued. They want to feel they're special. So make the narcissist feel they've helped you in some way. Then they will feel good about it. You can also keep the narcissist busy with your own friends and activities. Show the narcissist that you have a life of your own. And that way they'll want to be part of it. They will feel jealous when they feel that a lot of your attention is given to other people. Maybe your friends, maybe your relatives. If you're spending time with these other people, with your hobbies, let the narcissist know about this. They will feel you're not committed enough to that relationship. So they will want to challenge you. They will be obsessed with you. They'll want you to pay full attention on them. They'll want to control you fully. So they'll want to isolate you from these friends and relatives and these activities that steal the attention that they think they deserve to have it. Sometimes you want to make the narcissist obsessed with you. Don't compliment them. The narcissist will be bored if they think you like them. Sometimes don't tell them your nice thoughts. If you praise the narcissist all the time, give them the attention they need, they'll take you for granted. They'll play with you. They'll not respect you enough. They'll not be obsessed with you. So try to also be emotionally withdrawn from the narcissist. Because what the narcissist wants is you to completely feel deeply for them. They want you to love them so much. But you can't get love from a narcissist. So when you withhold your emotions, it will drive the narcissist crazy and mad. Sometimes create drama to make the narcissist obsessed with you. Narcissists, we know they thrive on attention. They love being around someone who's unpredictable. So sometimes show the narcissist you're unpredictable. So you can make the narcissist obsessed with you by breaking up with them fast. Be the first one to break up with the narcissist. We know narcissists like initiating the breakup so that they can feel in control. So when you leave the narcissist fast, it makes them obsessed with you. They'll want to hoover you. back so that they can break up with you fast, or maybe they can continue having you in their pockets, in their hands. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, say it in the comment section below. Drop your thoughts, your comments. Hey, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, spare 1 second or two and smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell as well. That way, every time I upload a new video, you'll get notified about it. Knowledge is power, information is power, and learning is a superpower. I love you all to the moon and back. God bless you. Catch you later in the next video.